Controlling the heat in your resin is simpler than you think. It's all about managing the chemistry. If your epoxy is smoking, boiling, or incredibly cloudy, you are likely using the wrong tool for the job. Most overheating issues happen when you use a coating resin for deep casting. Tabletop resin is a high viscosity formula. It's designed to hold its heat. If you pour it too thick, the temperature rises way too fast. The heat cannot escape. This creates a snowball effect. The hotter it gets, the faster it cures. This makes even more heat. Soon the resin thickens in minutes. It turns yellow and can even start to smoke. This rapid reaction called exotherm can ruin your project and your mould in seconds. To stay safe, you need to think thin and wide. Craft Resin Tabletop is designed for a 3mm layer. This specific depth allows the heat to escape into the air so the resin stays stable. Always spread your pour quickly across a broad surface and keep your workspace in the 72 to 77 degree Fahrenheit sweet spot. If you need a thicker look, you have two choices. You can build up multiple thin coats, or you can switch to a dedicated casting resin for deep pours. Tabletop is engineered for surface strength, while casting resin is built for depth. Don't force a coating resin like this tabletop formula into a deep mould. Stick to the 3mm rule for a clear, stress-free cure. If you know someone who is pouring too deep, share this video with them and tell me in the comments what project or shape has given you the most trouble. Let's troubleshoot your pours together.